All right, hello, Hypercycle community. This is Raymond Mata. I am the lead tech support and also customer success. And today we're going to be diving into the V2 DApp, dap.hypc.ai. That's where you're managing your node factories. That's also where you're handling HTS and your tilling. We're going to go through some of the steps involved in the management of your node factory and the assets underlying the node factory. Okay, now we're moving over to the function of releasing c-HYPC back into HYPC. So really we're just reversing the direction of the transaction, okay? And the way that we do that is we refresh our convert page here to make sure we have a nice fresh version of the page. We come here and we say, okay, I'm going to be converting a level 11 c-HYPC back into HYPC. So I'm going to select level 11 here. And I'm going to reverse the arrow. c-HYPC on top and HYPC on the bottom. Now notice the balance in the level is 1, and that balance is coming from over here. And notice also you have these string of zeros. That's going to be replaced with this ID number. You're going to just basically copy and paste that ID over into this field. That ID into this field is going to yield back 2048 HYPC. So we're just reversing the flow of the transaction. And remember, the first thing you do is you approve that, confirm the transaction, close the extension. Usually just takes a few moments, not more than a minute in most cases. Okay, the approve function is now no longer highlighted, and now we have the release function. You see here, we're going to click release. Confirm, close extension. Notice the balance before the release, 18,294. It's going to go up now by 2,048 when this conversion back into HYPC has taken place. Okay, there is the new balance. That's the original balance, 20,342. HYPC is starting over again. Okay, that completes the release of c-HYPC back into HYPC.